Buenos dias, chicos. Today we are going to go over the El Padre Nuestro prayer. Just as I've said, I want you guys to try to repeat it just as we would in class, okay? So I'm going to do the thing where I say the sentence and then I leave a space. That space is meant for you guys to be repeating it at your own time or in your own house, okay? So please be repeating it as I'm saying it. Here we go. Padre nuestro, que estás en el cielo, santificado sea tu nombre. Venga a nosotros tu reino. Hágase tu voluntad en la tierra como en el cielo. Danos hoy nuestro pan de cada día. Perdona nuestras ofensas, como también nosotros perdonamos a los que nos ofenden. No nos dejes caer en la tentación. Líbranos del mal. Amen. Like I've said before, Spanish is good because if you don't know how to pronounce the word, you can sound it out letter by letter. So an example is perdonamos. That's a pretty big word. You can take it one syllable at a time, okay? Perdonamos. Okay? So if you have to break it up, if you have to draw lines in between the syllables to help you, that's okay. The same thing with like tentación. Tentación, okay? So I expect you guys to be practicing too, okay? So today we are going to go over this sheet right here. It's H2. You guys actually had it before in class, but unfortunately we didn't really get to go over it a whole lot. So here we go. The first part I know we did in class, but we're gonna go over it again. So first I want to review our chart really quick. So yo is always I or me, okay? Every time that you see yo, you should know that it's me, okay, or I. So whenever we conjugate a verb, I said conjugating was when we change it to make it fit the tense, right? It's the same thing that I said, she is from Mexico, not she are from Mexico. That would be the wrong translation and the wrong conjugation. So the conjugation for yo is soy. So everywhere that you see a yo, it's soy. Again, we are talking about the verb ser, okay? The verb ser is to be. Okay, so this is only for the verb ser. When we learn new verbs, they're gonna be different, okay? But just for the verb ser, it's to be. It's everywhere you would see a yo, you're gonna put soy, okay? I am. And then we have tu. Tu is you. I remember that because tu sounds an awful lot like you. So everywhere that you would see a tu, you would say eres. Can everyone say eres? Tu eres is you are. Okay? Right here we have él, ella, and usted. Remember that él is masculine. It means he or him. Ella, not ella. Ella is she or her. And then usted is you formal. So if I'm talking to specifically you, or in this case, I would talk to the Queen of England, I would talk to Principal Lanham, I would talk to somebody higher up, okay? So I'm talking to you formal, usted. And for él, ella, and usted, they all share the same verb, and it's es, okay? Es kind of sounds like is. So it's like if I'm saying he is from Mexico, it's kind of like that. Only would say él es de Mexico, right? And then up here we have nosotros is somos. Nosotros is we or us, okay? So it can mean we or us. And everywhere that you would see nosotros, you're going to put somos, okay? I remember that somos always goes with nosotros because of all the s's. Nosotros has two s's. Okay, it's got two s's and three o's. Somos has a bunch of o's and s's too. Okay, so nosotros kind of looks and sounds a lot like somos. Okay, so everywhere that you put, or everywhere that you would see a nosotros, you're going to put somos. And then I put a blank here because we don't do vosotros. And then here we have ellos, ellas, and ustedes. Okay, ellos is them, masculine. Ellas, not ellas. Ellas is them or they, feminine. And ustedes is y'all. Okay, it's all of you guys. Okay, so it kind of makes sense because if you know that L is a masculine singular form, then ellos, because it kind of looks like L, it's the plural, okay? The same here. This is feminine singular, feminine plural, okay? And then this one changes because it's not a room full of Queens of England's, okay? It's just you guys, all right? And just like these over here, see how 1, 2, 3, these share S? These also share son, okay? These share son, so it's they are, okay? So down here, I know we went over this before. These are called the subject pronouns, okay? These things up here, like I, you, them, we, stuff like that. Those are the subject pronouns. So I want you to put what matches. So like I said, everywhere that you would see a somos, you're gonna know that it's nosotros, okay? So it's nosotros somos de España. My bad, everybody. I did not put the tilde over the N. It's España, not España, okay? It means we are from Spain. Tú eres de Freiburg. You are from Freiburg. The answer is tú because right here you see an eres. And right here, eres goes with tú, okay? Tú eres de Freiburg. You are from Freiburg. Yo soy de Smithton. I am from Smithton. It's soy because, it's yo because you see a soy right here. And right up here in our chart, it's soy. And right before soy is yo, okay? So it's yo soy de Smithton. 4 is ellos son de Los Angeles, okay? It can also be ellas or ustedes because like I said, up here, all three of these share the same conjugation. They all share son, okay? So you could have also put ellas or ustedes, but I just chose to put ellos, okay? It's saying they are from Los Angeles, okay? And you know it's son because up here in the chart, it's up here, okay? All right. 5 is ella es de Colombia. She is from Colombia. Again, it could also be el or usted because the conjugation up here, s, is the same for el and usted, but I just chose to put ella. If you put el or usted, that would also be right, okay? All right, and then down here, I know we didn't get to the part down here in class. So this is the other part that you have to fill out. So right here, it says, mi amiga es de Estados Unidos. Mi amiga is my friend, and I know that my friend is a girl because amiga ends in an A. Okay, so my friend is from the United States. Estados Unidos is how we say United States, okay? It's S because it's talking about she or her. One other way to say mi amiga or my friend is she. So if you replaced mi amiga with she, you would put she is from the United States. The answer wouldn't change. All right? So it's she is. A-S. 2 is tú eres mi amigo. So I put eres because up here I saw tú. Okay? And tú goes with eres, okay? Tú eres mi amigo. You are my friend. And you are my male friend because it ends in an O. All right? 3 is usted es la maestra. So if I covered up S right here and you just saw usted, you would know that you were talking to directly somebody higher up than you. It could be myself, it could be Principal Lanham, it could be Father Stan, it could be the Queen of England, it could be anyone higher up than you are, okay? Or anybody older. So you are directly talking to someone. You are talking to la maestra. La maestra is the teacher, and it's a female teacher. La normally goes with, it's the article that normally goes with feminine people and feminine objects, okay? La maestra, and it ends in an A. So you are talking to a feminine teacher. Usted es la maestra. You are the teacher, okay? Number 4 is nosotros somos de Utah. Remember, nosotros always goes with somos. So it's saying you are, excuse me, it's saying we are from Utah. 5, tú y tu hermana son de Mexico. Now, this is one that is a teeny bit tricky, okay? So this thing right here, the Y, is and, okay? So you would say E. It sounds like that, okay? It sounds like E. So it's saying tú y tu hermana. You and your sister. It's sister because it ends in an A. It's saying you guys are from Mexico. What is some other way that you could say tú y tu hermana? You and your sister. You would say you guys, right? So if that helps you, if that helps to say you guys, okay? If that helps you, please write it out like I did. And then you can say you guys blank de Mexico. You can say, well, what is it asking? Oh, you guys, and then I go up to here to my chart. You guys, which is right here. Ustedes son. All right? So ustedes son de Mexico. But instead of putting ustedes, I put you and your sister. So if that helps you to write it out like that, please do it, okay? Alrighty. I hope that was helpful for you guys. And then the last thing for your homework, I want you to go over Quizlet. It's these words right here. It starts at appearance. All right, so it's just these. It's not up here. It's not over here. It's not down here. It's just these, okay? I'm going to read these out for you guys, and I want you to study Quizlet for 20 minutes, okay? So it's alto, bajo, bonito, grande, guapo, joven, jóvenes, pelirrojo, pequeño, viejo, tengo, tiene, pelo rubio, pelo castaño. And remember, the ones that have a in parentheses, that means that adjective can change depending on if you're talking to a man or a woman, okay? But these are the words to study, okay? Just under appearances for 20 minutes. All right, everybody, have a good day, and I will talk to you a little later. Adios.